Hey guys, it's Dorian. Welcome back to another video on Dorian Power Gaming, guys. Right now, I think the storm hasn't hit yet, but what I do know is that the winds are insane, and the storm hasn't even hit, the storm hasn't hit, which is weird, and there's just clouds everywhere, which I think is weird. So I think I'm gonna do. Also, guys, I want you to meet a special family member, especially me. Come on. Okay, here's Marshmallow. He's basically my brother. Beautiful beast. He's a boy. Anyway, the storm, I will give you an update tomorrow when the storm hits Puerto Rico. Also, I want to give you a funny story. So, that palm tree, there's like a giant, what's it called? I know it's a giant lizard. It's an iguana. It was stuck there, 3 years ago. For Hurricane Maria. There was the iguana because, the tree was moving side to side. It was like this. The tree was literally moving like this, and he wouldn't let go. And when the wind stopped for a little while, he jumped. Okay, the tree is right here. He jumped down and just ran. Also, guys, I have kittens. I don't know if you can see. You probably won't because they're sleeping. I'll just give you a video of her. What? If we get 10 likes on this video, I would personally go outside in the storm, and I'm gonna get wet. I'm not kidding. Oh my god, the wind. The wind is insane. I don't know if you can hear it, but this wind is insane. Anyway, guys, this is actually my house. That's an office. This up here is my house. It's kind of messy. This, I have to repaint it anyway. Anyway, guys, I will see you tomorrow when the hurricane actually hits. Why do I keep saying hurricane? I'm an idiot. Oh, God. When the storm hits, I will inform all of you. I'll make a video. This video will be around for thousands of years. I mean, not thousands. Anyway, if I hit like a lot of subscribers, I'm gonna say, come back to this video because this was insane.